Storms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone SE 2022 from Metro by T-Mobile. So the new iPhone SE is now here at Metro by T-Mobile. So if you guys want to check this out, the link will be down below. So this is the new iPhone SE. This one has 5G on it, of course. That's the main selling point of this new iPhone SE, that it has 5G. So if you guys are looking to get a cheap iPhone with 5G on it, the iPhone SE is the phone for you. The only thing I don't like about the new iPhone is that it has an outdated design, but other than that, the phone is pretty much, pretty good, minus the design there. So quick specs on the iPhone SE here, it has 5G, of course. That's the main selling point. 4.7-inch Retina HD display, 12 megapixel camera with portrait mode there on the back. And it's available now for $429.99. That's the full retail price of the 64GB iPhone SE here. This is the 64GB iPhone that Metro is selling. Yeah, that's front and back. Y'all guys know what the iPhone SE looks like. It's basically an iPhone 8 with iPhone 13 hardware inside of it. So if you guys want a compact iPhone, the iPhone SE could be one for you to check out. So it's a lightning fast A15 Bionic chip and fast 5G, big time battery life, and a superstar camera, plus the toughest glass in a smartphone and a home button with secure Touch ID. So that's good. So if you guys like the design of the iPhone 8 and stuff like that, this is the phone for you to check out, I guess, but the design, I don't like it. It's outdated. It's like a 6-year-old design. So yeah, so it has 5G, of course, 4.7-inch Retina HD display, advanced single camera system with 12 megapixel wide camera, smart HDR4, photographic styles, portrait mode, and 4K video up to 60 frames per second. 7 megapixel FaceTime HD camera with smart HDR4, photographic styles, portrait mode, and 1080p video recording, and A15 Bionic chip for lightning fast performance, the same chip that it is in the iPhone 13 line. So pretty cool there. If you guys want to get the iPhone SE for cheaper, go to a Metro store when you switch, and you can get you an iPhone SE for $79.99. That's a great deal. They'll be giving you the 64GB iPhone here, so not bad for $80. Says get iPhone SE for $79.99 when you switch with a qualifying plan, so you do have to get a qualifying plan. I'm pretty sure that you'll have to get the $60 plan to qualify for the iPhone SE for $79.99. So you would probably, like I said, go to the Metro store. I think you would have to put your number with the Metro. You can get your iPhone SE for $80 if you get a qualifying plan, which I'm pretty sure that's the $60 plan. So do keep that in mind. So not bad for new customers and stuff like that. Yeah, that's kind of interesting. And then they got the specs here. Battery description: built-in rechargeable lithium battery. It's a lightning cable, of course. Wi-Fi 802.11ax with Bluetooth 5.0, NFC, voice over LTE, USB, and all that. It does have Wi-Fi 6 on there. A15 Bionic chip, iOS 15 on board. No external storage, of course, if this is an iOS device. Wireless network technology is 4G LTE and 5G, of course. It supported email platforms. And hearing aid compatibility is wireless emergency alert capable, yes. Mobile hotspot, yes. Cameras, 12 megapixel wide camera on the rear, plus a 7 megapixel FaceTime HD camera. There's your bands there, and there's your accessories. You could go to Amazon and get your accessories for the iPhone SE, or you could buy them from the Apple website if you guys want to. But you guys will have to get your own charging brick if you guys don't have one, because the iPhone SE does not come with a charging brick. So if you guys want to get, if you guys just want to get all the stuff right there, there you guys go. There's a ATEC 21 Evo check case for the iPhone SE, which is pretty nice. So yeah, that's about what, 80 fucking bucks of accessories right there. If you guys plan on getting all that from the Metro site, but you could probably get it. But you can have more choices if you go to the Amazon or the Apple website there. So yeah, it's not much too, because Metro did not put a whole lot of stuff about the iPhone SE for some reason. So this is probably a quick video. So there you guys have it. The iPhone SE 2022 is now here at Metro by T-Mobile. It's available now for $429.99. But if you guys switch to Metro, y'all guys can get the iPhone SE for 80 bucks when you get a qualifying plan. So that is a cool perk there if you guys are interested in switching to Metro. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.